Hey guys, welcome here. I'm Limi from DearMob channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you a super easy method to back up iPhone photos. After watching this tutorial, you will be able to back up and restore your photos with encryption method at will from iPhone to Mac. Now, without further ado, let's cut to the chase. How exactly to do it? At first, let's open the DearMob iPhone Manager on your Mac and then connect your iPhone with data cable. Come to the part of Photo Transfer on the main interface and click it. On the left side, there are your iPhone's album lists like camera roll, selfies, and so on. You can choose which list you want to back up. You can choose all of them or part of them. Now, I want to make a copy of all of these photos, so I select all and hit on Export. Oh, by the way, if you click this little triangle here, you can see that DearMob iPhone Manager offers you an option to export HEIC photos to JPG format. That's quite handy, right, if you are using a Windows PC. Now, let's click it and wait for a moment until it's done. See, a window will pop up and you can see all the exported photos here. But actually for these photos, it's my private thing. I think everybody has their own private thing, right? I don't want others to open up accidentally when they are using my Mac. So before exporting, let's tick export with encryption, which I do recommend, and we are required to set a password. For data safety, password must be set to 8 digits or longer, and it also must contain upper and lowercase letters and numbers. Please note that this password also applies to video and contact encryption. After setting proper password, click OK, and now you export your photos with encryption method. You see, those photos are not encrypted, which everybody can view them at will, and those are encrypted, which nobody knows what they are except yourself. And next, if you want to decrypt those photos you encrypted just now, you can click the back button and come to the interface of DearMob, and then tick this one, Data Security. There are two options. Now come to the Data Decryption, hit Add Files. As I mentioned before, we can find them here. Choose them and click Open and Decrypt now. Enter your password. All photos can be decrypted in a second and you can find them here. Of course, apart from backing up photos, you can also restore them from Mac to your iPhone again. Just click this button. You can not only add photos one by one, but also in a whole folder. Choose the target photos and then click Open. All photos are here. Those photos are now added, and if you pick the wrong one, hit here to undo the photo. After making sure all photos are you wanted, let's begin. Click Scenic to restore your photos to iPhone. And finally, you can find them in My Photo of your iPhone. Well, alright, above all is the whole process to back up iPhone photos to Mac. By DearMob iPhone Manager, all the photos from your iPhone can be stored in Mac, which are pretty safe. And good news to you, you don't have to worry about your precious photos being accidentally lost anymore. And as always, the official download link is included in the description part. If you do have the problem of backing up iPhone photos, hit that like to give us a thumb up, and you can also stop this video. And let us know what's your problems down in the comments, and we'd love to address your problems. And if you have any other tips on backing up and transferring iPhone photos, share your wisdom and leave your advice down below too. See you next, bye!